Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Kotlin language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we learned about first program of Kotlin and what is variable practically. Now, in this video, we will discuss about data types in Kotlin, range of data type and size of the data types practically. So, let's start the session. Here I have created a Kotlin script with the name of data type 1 and in that I have written a main method. Okay, so then I have called it. So this is what the main function I have written over here is function main, and on the line number 4 I have called that main function. So main function is a starting point of the program execution. Now I am creating a variable, say for example var first colon integer. So this is the line, by that you can create a variable. You can initialize the value also by, say for example, equal to 10. Here I am creating another variable, say for example var second colon float equal to 10.20 semicolon. So if you can see over here is when I am writing 10.20 over here, it will giving me an error because this 10.20 is by default it is called a double value. So you need to convert it into the float value. Okay, so 10.20 is a double value and your variable that you have created is a float. So that 10.20 you need to convert in the float value. For that you can write capital F after the value. So now there is no errors. See over here you can see when we have created, if we create a double variable then there is no any error, right? But if you create a float variable, so for that you have to write capital F after your fraction value, or you can write a small f also. Both are valid in the Kotlin. So this is what you can create a variable over here. Here I am creating another variable with the data type double, say for example, okay, and I am just changing the variable name. My variable name is a third. So here I have created a third variable with the data type double. And now what I need to do is I can just remove that f from here. So this 10.20 value is my double value now. Now I just wanted to print that particular value. So for that the Kotlin providing the print method. Here also you can write semicolon, and if you do not want to write semicolon, it is also possible way. On the line number 2, I have created a variable name as first. Here I am just writing that this is just a declaration of the particular variable. And now I am just initializing the value, say for example first equal to 10. So this is what I have done. Here I have initialized the value into the variable name as first. Okay, so this is what the basic concept of the variable in data type. In this video we will discuss about the data type concepts, range and a size. Okay, so here I have created a three variable, first, second and third. Now I am creating another variable, say for example var number colon integer equal to, I am assigning the value to my variable 20. So what I have done over here is I have created a variable name as a number. Here I have created a first, second and third variable, and you can print that value of the variable also by using the print method. So here, say for example, let me do it over here. I am just printing the value using the println. In that println statement, I will write a dollar first. So if you want to print the value of the variable in the Kotlin, the syntax is you just write dollar before the variable name in the print statement. So here I will write the dollar second and here I will write dollar third. So here I have created a three variable and now I have just printed it. So this is my file, data type 1.kt file. Now I am just running this file. Okay, it is just building the project, and after completion of the building we will get the output into our terminal. See over here we are getting the output 10, 10.2 and 10.2. So that first variable is our integer type variable, second variable is our float variable. Here you can write it is our first variable equal to, and then you can run again. So by output will be now the first variable equal to 10. So you can see over here you can provide the string in the println statement also like that. That is what I have given in the line number 6. So here I have we are getting an output, say for example first variable equal to 10, and then 10.2 and then 10.2. There is another syntax also, you can write in the curly brackets also, dollar curly brackets and then variable name. So this is also a possible way, you can print the value of the variable in the Kotlin by that way also, using dollar and then curly brackets and then your variable name and curly brackets over. So here what we have done, we have created a 3 variable, and here in the line number 10 what I have done, I have created a variable name as a number and the data type of the number variable is an integer, and then I have initialized the 20 as a value in the particular variable. Now I am just printing, so for example print ln number, you can write direct number also, and you can write number colon colon. Here I am writing, say for example number colon colon. Here colon colon is a class reference operator, keep this point in your mind. Colon colon is called, it is a class reference operator in the Kotlin. So after colon colon you can write a class dot simple name. So by using that simple name variable you can print, you can know that what is the data type of the particular variable. So here let me just run this file. You can see over here number is our variable and I just want to print the data type of the particular variable. At that time this colon colon class dot simple name will be used. It is used to get the data type of the particular variable. So now I am just running this file. Say for example I have comment the unnecessary code and then I am just running the file. You can see in the output we are getting int. Int means integer. What we have done right now over here is we have created a variable. You can do like that also, variable number equal to 20. Okay, so what this variable data type will be now, it is totally depending on the particular value. Now I am running the file. You can see over here when this file is compiled successfully and running successfully, it will provide us the output as an integer. So you can write the data type also. If you do not write the particular data type, it will depends on the particular value. So the variable type is totally depends on the value now. So for example here I am creating another variable var temp colon, say for example double and then equal to 20.50. So now you can see over here I have created a variable name as a temp. I just want to print the data type of the temp. So I will write println temp colon colon class dot simple name. And when I am running the file, you can see we are getting a double over here. So by that we know that how to get the data type of the particular variable. If you want to know the data type of the particular, then this is the way. Okay, and you can create a variable by using the data type and without writing the data type. So this is the way you can print on the console and you can know that what is the data type of particular variable. Say for example here I am creating another variable var, say for example Aadhaar number colon long. So long is our data type equal to, I have to provide the long value over here. So for that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3, when you print these values, say for example I am printing the data type of the Aadhaar number variable. So I am running the file, it is going to build now and we are getting an output into the terminal. Say for example it is a long variable. Okay, so if you do not write long over there, by default what it will be the output. Okay, so now you can see over here in the line number 12 I have not written as a particular long as the variable. So you can see in the output it is also a long variable. Okay, so variable data type is totally depends on the particular value. So by that you we can know that what is the value of the particular variable. Now what I have done, I am just removing some digits from my Aadhaar number. So now you can see when I am running the file, I will get integer over here because this the Aadhaar number is a variable having a 1 2 3 4 5 as a value. But if you provide a long value over here, so the data type of the Aadhaar number variable will be changed automatically internally, and when you print the particular variable you will get the data type of the particular variable. If you provide a long variable, but what if you need to provide a short value as a long data type, then you can write L over there. So now I am running the file you can see over here we are getting a long over here. My value is short. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a short value. It is not a long value. But if you write a L after the value, your variable will be converted into the particular type. So this is a most important and interesting point also. Keep this point in your mind. Now you can write a long value also. Say for example, multiple digit, 10 digit or 20 digit you can write as a in the long value. So now I am creating another variable pi colon float equal to 3.14 f. So it is a float variable, so I have to provide the f over there. Now I just want to print the data type of the pi variable. Say for example, when I am going to run the file and we are getting into the output, see over here we are getting float in the output, okay, for the pi variable. I am creating another variable var is raining, so it is a name of the variable. I am creating a variable as a boolean, that is why I am writing colon boolean over here equal to false. So now what I have done is I have created a variable as a boolean type, right? I am just want to know the data type of the variable name is raining. So when I am running the file, you can see over here we are getting a boolean in our output. Okay, so here also what we have done, printing the value. Here we have created a different type of variable, and here what we have done, we have print the data type of the particular variable in the console, in the output. So it is most important, by using that simple name variable you can know that what is the type of my variable, what is the data type of my variable. So it is very important concept for the programming also. Now I am creating another variable var, say for example alpha. Now I am writing I am just want to create a variable as a character, so I am write colon char character equal to capital A in the single quotes. Okay, and then I will print the data type of the particular alpha variable. I am running the file again. So when this file is run, we are getting a character into the output. You cannot write the string in the particular character variable. If you write string over there, it will provide an error. Say for example, type mismatch, required character found string. So by that, what we learn by using line number 15, if you create a character variable, you cannot store a string into a particular character variable. So if you create a single character variable, it will store only one character at a time. Okay, it will not store the multiple character or as a single character as a string. It will not allow. But if you write string over here, it is allowed now. Let me just change the value by the capital D over here. So for that it is okay now, and we are getting a character as a data type. I am creating another variable var, say for example name colon string equal to Kotlin. Okay, so here I have created a variable name as a name. So I just want to print the data type of the name variable. So I will write name colon class dot simple name. Okay, so this is what we have created a variable and printed the data type of the particular variable. You can see over here when I am running the file, we are getting a character and a string. Okay, and boolean, float, long, double and integer. So these all are the primitive data types. I have created a variable and I have printed the data type of the particular variable by using colon class dot simple name. In that colon is a class reference operator and simple name is a one kind of variable, you can say. So this is what we have done in this program data type 1.kts. This is our Kotlin script, right? So by using that colon class dot simple name operator, you can print the data type of the particular variable. I hope till now it is okay to you guys. It is a very basic concept about the Kotlin programming language. It is about what is the data type, how many data types available, and how to know what is the data type of the particular variable. So this is just a simple script I have written for you guys. Now what I am doing over here is I am just creating another file to provide the demonstration of the particular range of the data type. So if you create a variable with the data type, okay, so that variable has particular range depending on the data type. So every data type has its particular range. So I hope till now it is okay to you guys. I hope you are understanding this concept. Okay, so now I am creating another file. So for example, I am creating a new Kotlin script over here, data type 2.kts. Okay, so I am writing main function over here. Main function is our starting point of our program execution. Then I will call over here. So I have called the main function, and then I have written function main. So it is our starting point of the program execution. In that function main, I will write a print ln. Say for example, byte range. So I just want to print the range of the particular data type. So there will be a minimum range and maximum range of the particular. Say for example, over here I have created a variable first. So first is an integer type. As an integer type, there will be some minimum range and maximum range of the particular data type. So if you create a variable by the particular data type, okay, say for example, here I am writing byte dot mean value. So by using that variable, here I am writing byte dot max value, say for example. So that mean value and max value is a variable of the byte class, okay. It will provide the minimum range and maximum range of the particular data type. So keep this point in your mind. This mean value and max value is a constant variable. It will provide you the minimum range and the maximum range of the particular data type. So now what I am doing over here is I am just writing print ln a byte dot max value. So if you run this program, you will get the maximum limit of the particular byte data type, maximum range of the particular byte data type. Let me just run this program as a variable data type 2. It is going to compile now, and running the file we are getting 127 over here. So 127 is a maximum value of the byte data type, and you can write a mean value also. Okay, so if you print the mean value in the output, you will get minus 128. So minus 128 is a minimum range of the byte data type, and 127 is the maximum range of the byte data type. So by using that, say for example, here I am writing, I am explaining into the notepad. What I need to do is I just want to print like as byte range equal to, there are multiple variable available. So byte range equal to from minimum value to maximum value. I just want to print the output like this concept. Say for example, byte range maximum value to minimum value. Here I will write a minimum value first. Byte range minimum value to maximum underscore value. So this will be our output now. I just want to print my output like this way. Okay, so you can understand this concept. Byte range mean value to max value. These two are the variables. This variable is available into the byte class, and this byte class has particular range. So this mean value and max value is a constant variable. So here I will print the value. So for example, byte range, I want to print my output like that. Byte range colon, I will write a dollar over here, dollar byte dot mean value. So that byte dot mean value will provide the minimum range of my particular byte data type available in the Kotlin. So as I told you, I just want to print my output like this way. Byte range from minimum to maximum. So I will write a dollar byte dot max value. So I will run the file now. When I am going to run the file, it will give me the output. Say for example, byte range colon minus 128 to 127. So by using that mean value and max value, you will get the minimum range and maximum range of the particular data type. So as we discussed about byte, short, integer, long, float, double, and a character and a boolean. So here I will write a short range. Say for example, I will show you all the data type range. So here I will write short dot mean value and here short dot max value. So when I am running this file, we are getting an output. Say for example, byte range equal to this and short range equal to this. So this is what we are getting, a range of the particular data type. When you create a variable as a in the data type, it will have a particular range. So here I will looking for the integer, long and a float variable also. I just want to know what is the minimum value of the particular variable, say for example double and a character. So I just want to know that what is the minimum value of the integer and what is the maximum value of the integer. So I will write integer dot max value. Here I will write a long dot mean value and a long dot max value over here. Or here I will write a float dot max value and float dot mean value, because I just want to know that what is the minimum value of the double and what is the maximum value for the double data type. And at last here I will write a character over here. Say for example I am just running this file, so we will have in the output all the range of the data type. Okay, so here I am just forgot to change character dot mean value and character dot max value. I am saving the file and running the file. We are getting the range of the particular data type. You can see character range we are getting as a character to question mark. So particular character data type does not having any minimum value and maximum value. So I will just commenting this line number 9. Other all are the data type has its particular mean value and its particular max value. So you cannot store the value which are not belonging to its range. Okay. So see over here, it is a constant variable. When you click over here, control click, it will show me the value of the particular variable. Say for example, here we are getting minus 128 as a minimum value, and the class is byte. You can see over here the class name is byte, package is Kotlin, and the byte class has the variable, constant variable as a mean value, and that variable has minus 128 value. So we are getting the range of the particular data type into the output, but it is coming from the particular class which are available into the native Kotlin. Okay, internally there is a class available for the all the data types. So mean value is a constant variable. We are getting, say for example, minus 128 to 127. It is a range of the byte data type. You cannot store the value which are not available into its range. So like say for example, if you want to store 155 over here, it will not allow because it is out of range. Okay, so it is something like that. It is providing a range here. Okay, so if you want to store the value which are not available into the range, it will not allow. So now I am creating another script for you guys, data type 3, and here I will write function main. So it is what our starting point of our program execution, and I will call the main function over here. So now in this program I will show you the size of the particular data type. What is the size? Before that, here what we have done, we have printed the minimum value and maximum value, which is, we can say, it is a range of the particular data type. Okay, I am just removing these from here, say for example, and you can write like that also by using plus operator. Byte dot mean value, you can concat the string with the particular variable, plus here I will write 2. So this value is a minimum value to maximum value. So I will write plus byte dot max value. So this is also another way you can print the range of the particular data type by using a concatenation operator, and which is a plus operator. So see over here we are getting the same output but with the different way. So now in the third program of the data type, what I want to show you is, I just want to show you the particular size of the byte variable. Say for example, here I will write a byte variable occupies how many bit. Okay, so if you create a byte variable, it will occupy particular bit into the memory. So I just wanted to print that particular byte value. Okay, so I will write a dollar curly brackets. In that curly brackets, java dot lang dot byte dot size. So by using java.lang.byte.size, and then I have written a bit. So my final output will be a byte variable occupies 8 bit. Okay. So by using that java.length.byte.size, size is a constant variable available in the byte class. So now I just want to print the size of the short variable, short data type. So I will write java.length.short.size, and I am running the file. So in the output we will get a short variable occupies 16 bit over there. Say for example, okay, so here I will list out all the data type, size of the all the data types. Say for example, a long variable, float variable, then an integer variable. Here I will write a float variable, and then I will write a double variable, and then I will write a character variable. So these all are the say for example, last one is boolean variable. So here I will provide a output like as java.length.long.size. Over here I just want to print the how many byte it is occupying into the memory. So I will write integer over there, integer dot size. Here I will write a float dot size. Over here I will write a double dot size. So these all are the data types, character dot size, and over here I will write a boolean dot size. So I just wanted to print how many memory occupies as a particular data type, or you can say a variable. So here I will write integer over here, and here I will write a character over here. Here I just want to print the memory occupying as a character variable. Okay, so here I am writing java.length.boolean.size. When you run this file, you will get all the data type occupies particular bit. Say for example, a byte variable occupies 8 bit, a short variable occupies 16 bit, a long variable occupies 64 bit, an integer variable occupies 32 bit in the Kotlin. So now if you want to print the byte value, see over here it is all the bit value. So if you want to print the byte value, you can just divide these by 8. Okay, so say for example, a byte variable occupies 8 bit. So now you want to know that what is the byte value. So for that you just need to divide these by 8. So java.length.byte.size divide by 8. So when you divide any size to divide by 8, you will get the byte value of the particular data type. Say for example, here in the output we are getting a byte variable occupies 1 byte. Okay, other all our data types we are getting a bit value, and here over here we are getting min max value. Over here we are getting a bit and a byte value of the particular data type. So here I will write a bit over here, so you will get both the output, and over here I will write divide by 8, means we are getting the bit value and the byte value of the particular data type. So over here we are getting min max value, over here we are getting a particular size of the data type. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video we will discuss about types of variable, how to get value from user using a read line method, and data type conversion practically. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.